All's fair in beauty and school. There's a new beauty diva in our class.
Hey!
Just look at her. It's like she dipped all her things in pink paint. Her backpack, pencils, her ruler, notebook, and books. And what's this? A flamingo tail? No, this is a pink pen for a beauty queen. Take a big pink feather and a pen. Attach the feather to the body of the pen. Use pink hot glue. It looks like this pen belongs to Louis XIV. Hey, stop tickling me! Achoo! This is a chicken farm, not a school. Class is in full swing. We need to take so many notes. Our beauty diva adores her pink notes. There's no such thing as too many hearts. But my notes aren't only beautiful on the inside, but also on the outside. Check out this fashion queen soft, cute notebook. Attach white faux fur to the cover of a notebook. Use double-sided tape. Add a title made out of pink glittery foam paper. Decorate it with a crown. Whoa! This notebook is fashion-tastic! And so soft! Even the blue-eyed girl likes it! Our queen has very unique accessories. Our assignment is to put a map together on the blackboard. The beauty diva will do it! But these thumbtacks are so bland! The beauty queen knows how to add shine to this task. Attach big rhinestones to thumbtacks. Put rhinestones into a crystal-shaped box. Shining thumbtacks makes this map pretty. The map is complete, and the thumbtacks with rhinestones became a fashion trend. Miss Olivia takes them for herself. The blue-eyed girl needs a pencil. Maybe my classmate has a spare one. The beauty diva actually finds an extra pencil, but I can't believe my eyes. It's gray? How could this possibly happen? Wrap a pencil in a glittery pipe cleaner. Attach a bow covered in glitter on top. Now this pencil meets my school supply requirements. There you go! It's perfectly pink and glittery. This is the first time the blue-eyed girl has ever seen a bow on a pencil. Another day, another test. Let's see. Our straight-A student, blue-eyed girl, handled it way too fast. She wrote all the right answers. And now she's bored. So what should she do? Time is ticking. Whoops! The blue-eyed girl didn't even notice that she got carried away and made drawings on the edges of her paper. How can she fix it? Use nails as an eraser. Apply pink hot glue onto press-on nails. Heat the surface with a lighter. Smooth out the layer of glue. Let it cool. Even out the edges. Make 5 pieces for all fingers. The blue-eyed girl learned a lot from her neighbor. Nails with erasers are a perfect pink idea. The blue-eyed girl has a relaxing coloring page, but markers don't calm her down at all. Everything slips out of her hands. A stress reliever becomes a stress creator. Calm down. You need some beauty help. Here's my lash organizer. Oops, I mean marker organizer. Cut 2 eye-shaped pieces out of cardboard and a rectangle for a stand. Coat markers with black acrylic paint. Don't color the caps. Paint cardboard pieces black and white. Hot glue marker caps to the black eye. Attach the white eye on top. Add an iris, a pupil, and shine made out of glittery foam paper. Attach a black foam paper edge on top. Hot glue the stand at the back at an angle. What a big eye! And each lash is actually a marker. Stop, Cyclops! How useful! This is the first time I've ever used eyelashes to draw. What an unusual eye! What's shining over there? A giant diamond reflects light and blinds the teacher. Hey, take off this royal ring immediately! I thought this blue stone drowned with the Titanic. Miss Olivia, you are wrong. This is not a ring, it's just a pencil sharpener. Coat a round pencil sharpener with silver spray paint. Hot glue a ring blank to the cap. Attach a big stone to the back. Add rhinestones on the sides. An unusual precious pencil sharpener is a sign of a real fashion queen. Everything has to be beautiful at our school. Hey, school supply queen, do you have glue? Huh? It's so normal. That can't be right. This doesn't seem like you at all. But once you open the glue stick, it all makes sense. This glue has sequins. Screw out a glue stick. Use a straw to make hollows all over the surface of the stick. Put sequins into the hollows. Use tweezers to make the job easier. Wow! My neighbor has very sophisticated taste. Who else could possibly make a fashion glue stick? Thanks, pal! You are so committed! Our beauty diva is kinda bad at geography. She can't tell the difference between Africa and Asia. This globe is way too complicated for her. All the meridians are conspiring against her. But Miss Olivia can deal with any student. This beauty queen needs the most beautiful and glamorous globe. Coat the continents on the globe with hot glue. Paint the whole globe black. Apply white glue to the continents. And sprinkle with a lot of glitter. Shake off the excess glitter with a dry, stiff brush. Coat the globe with spray polish. A glitter globe is what any beauty diva dreams of. Now she can learn all the countries. The whole world is finally covered in glitter. How beautiful! Fixing your makeup is the most important thing at school. Oops! Sorry! What did you do? Now I look like the Joker! Thank goodness I have a pencil case with perfect lips. Cut lips out of red felt along a template. Join two separate lips with a white zipper. Attach reverse sequin fabric on top. Hot glue two halves of the case along the outline. Big glittery lips are any beauty queen's dream, even if it's just a pencil case. The blue-eyed girl likes these lips, but Miss Olivia sees something sparkly on the desk. You turn this class into a beauty salon. A mirror, a lipstick, Angelina Jolie lips? Put all of this away right now! Miss Olivia, it's just a pencil case. Fine, whatever, but you still have to take your lipstick off. This is school, after all. Did you like our glamorous school supplies? Then comment below what school supplies you'd make. A pen with a feather, a glamorous globe, a fashion diva notebook, or a precious pencil sharpener. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new beautiful school ideas from Troom.